Jotono ani kapani krumba ye payo ani mukhe dobin chong prince tiro nang bus kangwa khupokta toi bi mukhe nya khip o joto bro skna ha akhe sipuno sipai ha jampoi ru dok thungta parawa chini bro ni no paka no tamokta no buphai paye khabro sentek makma tongni sauye khuna oni kautma central YBA ro bai khe thangye na ye akhe memorandam ro riak mo aboni kautma no khna nen bak pandawa nang buskamo video tv phi ha akhe nang bono soya mani khe tanya mani khe nang pai hanjara nen bak pandaw nang jotono kabo phio akhe je ain channel nokta hontone ro khe bale nang subscribe khe nen bak panda kabo phio mami khe nang khru khe se ang tre nang buskamo chini historical akhe khupokta te man bak pandawa ang khaba cha phio nang khru khe se ang ta ha phain mai phio amon bak pandawa phaidi chung ta onai le na ba video no khna na
sal khe sajima February 2022 para khe thumta para under Kanchanpur subdivision sio jongbo chini takho Fulendro riang ni no lai thanai 8 February 2022 jang skam rao lusai rao phaiye horni 11 wo brau bonno no naidi bodi khiye no soya khiye bu ye no sto khiye syntax rao sau ye berai rao pura khiye nos ke khina thamon baye jo tini YBA central ni uye ake chini intellectual person angke chini community ni uye phaye visit khenai ha ambaye chung bode khenma rauno bari ke condemn kheyo bis kamo bode khenma activities rauno jodio se bode ma parawo tre para state rawo bode khenma skam phongtho jejat jati phongtho chini bro ni uporo tiprasani uporo bode khenma activities phangungke jong abono are sing ke tongya jong angbaye tinio chini yao memorandum pho tongo jong memorandum already submit khe ha SDM tipo khe ha SDPO tipo khe ha nang khe jong bis kango legal fight khelainai bode ke chini ta khuni sakawo mkhuni sakawo bode ke next time mo ta khen tho jodio se bode ke kheyong ke joto ongsoni bro rao khoma kheyang nai YBA bode rono chong tolerate kheyang nai angbaye chung joto tiprasa ake chini bro rono appeal kheyo bode khenema victims rono joto phaiye nai phaiye ake chuba chu kheanman ba ye chung YBA neuye ake jati keha neuye chung nangkhru mo sayo asu sayeno aini kaupai re ha joto na hambai
ang sanay dala sanay da. Good evening, my dear friends and my media friends and all the law-abiding citizens and peace-loving people of Tripura and the region as well. Today, on 10 of February 2022, we have come to Mr. Fulendros Riang's place, that is 9 kilo, Notun Bosti, Riang village, Thumtapara, under Kanchanpur subdivision, North Tripura. We came here on behalf of YBA, Young Brew Association Central Executive Committee. We came and visited to his place. It is in our knowledge that his house has been attacked by miscreants on 8 February midnight. They have broken all the walls of his house and burned his syntax and threatened him of their consequences if he further continue to build this house. So in these circumstances, we have given a memorandum to our SDM as well as to SDPO Kanchanpur subdivision. Regarding this, I would like to say that such kind of incident should not be overlooked and should not be taken very lightly. And we should be aware that the concerned police station must take immediate step at the earliest. Otherwise, we will be bound to take other steps. As we peace-loving people, we don't want to escalate any kind of communal violence against our fellow brothers who is living within this region. So, all the miscreants and all the goons who have attacked his home on 8th night should be arrested immediately by police authority and should be put behind bars. And compensation to our fellow brothers Fulendro Riang should be given as per the law. And on the other hand, we being a good citizen and we being a helping hand to him, we will provide him. And I appeal to all the other citizens to help him with any kind of financial assistance, moral assistance, any kind of assistance, whatever we can to him. Not only this incident, there are many incidents which has been overlooked and which are not the FIR in a police station. We come to learn that one incident took place at Munpui of our brother Lal Kima Riang. He is beaten badly, half dead, by our another brother living in the region, and later on he was forced that if you file any kind of FIR, then you will not be allowed to live in the village. Such kind of incidents should not take place. We are living in India where law and order must prevail. Constitution, no one is above the law, everybody is below the law. We should respect the law. We should not take law in our hand. We should maintain peace and tranquility. If this place belongs to government, then let the government take action against our brother Fulendro. Nobody has got right to take action. So, although those goons have been slowly identified by the police authority, and I hope and I believe that police authority will soon arrest those criminals who has broken our Fulendro's brothers' newly constructed home. Regarding that, as I have said earlier, we have given a memorandum, and until and unless justice is served, we will keep our fight. So that's all. Thank you, and hambay joto na.
Stop ka tong na.
Amo no, sa edit